Hello everyone, welcome to all. And today we will discuss about the exercise and question answer related to our second chapter, Olympic values. And before proceeding to Olympic values exercise, yesterday we will discuss about the International Olympic Committee and National Olympic Committee. We can say that Indian Olympic Committee is Indian Olympic Association. First we will discuss about the International Olympic Committee. We have discussed about Indian International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee is governing to our modern Olympic and organized in two types of Olympics, Summer Olympic and Winter Olympic. In Summer Olympic, formulate created by 23rd June 1894 by the Pierre Baron de Coubertin. Now second, 105 memberships and modern Olympic conducted in every 4 years. And first Summer Olympic conducted in 1896 and Winter Olympic conducted in Chamonix, France in 1924. And now membership president, vice president, 4 vice president, and now whole 10 members, executive total committees. And main functions of IOC is for conducting competition, for formulating rule and regulations, will be organized decide to these committees, and it also takes the regular conduct of Olympic Games. It take action in order to strengthen unity and protect the independence of Olympic movements. And now also it lead to fight against doping in sports and encourage the development of sports for all. That is the main objective of International Olympic Committee. We already discussed in previous classes. Now today we will discuss about the chapter second, Indian Olympic Association. We can say that IOA, Indian Olympic Association, was established in 1927. By Sir Dorabji Tata and Jamsetji Tata and Dr. Narayan, and founder, president and secretary general. And elected first IOC in India, Sir Dorabji Tata. Now in 1927. Now, his first president is Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata, and then second Dr. Narayan become the founder, secretary general. And Sir Dorabji Tata elected first member from India to an International Olympic Committee in 1928. Now here objectives of Indian Olympic Association. Objective of Indian Olympic Association objectives. First objective, development and promotion of Olympic movement. First objective, development and promotion of Olympic movement. Then second objective, enforcement of all rules and regulations of IOA and IOC. Enforcement of all rules and regulations. Enforcement of all rules and regulations. To be officials, organization, complete form and responsibility for all the matters related to Olympic event. And promotion, encouragement, physical, moral, cultural education. promotion and encouragement of physical, moral and cultural education. Now fourth, to take disciplinary action against any federation for misbehavior or any other undesirable activity. कोई भी फेडरेशंस उसके अगेंस्ट में कोई इनडिसिप्लिन एक्टिविटी करती है, सो उसके अगेंस्ट में डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शंस लेती है कौन? इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन, टू टेक डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन अगेंस्ट एनी फेडरेशन. For misbehavior. Now fifth, to cooperate with national sports federation and association and organize control, selection, trial, coaching of the team that will represent India. Next objective, fifth objective, to cooperation with national federation and association, in cooperation with national sports federation and association. Association, organize and control selection, trial, coaching of the team. Team. That is the main objective of Indian Olympic Association. And now last, to enforce and defend the exclusive right of association to use Olympic flag and Olympic insignia. Now we will discuss about the exercise of our second chapter, Olympic values. First discuss about the carrying 1 marks questions. Suppose first questions come exercise. Suppose first one carrying 1 marks question, in which BCC ancient Olympic वर started? Ancient Olympic कब start हुआ? Which BC? 776 BC. In which BCC ancient Olympic game वर started? Question like that. In which BCE, the ancient Olympic Games were started. Where were the first ancient Olympic game were organized? Olympic game organized. कहाँ हुआ था Olympic game? Athens, Greece. Now second, in which year the ancient game were stopped? Now stop the ancient game. Which AD? 394 AD. Stop the ancient game. Approx 1000 year conducted regularly ancient game. Who stopped the ancient game? Who stopped the ancient game? Who stopped the ancient game? Ancient game stopped by Rome Empire king. Name is Theodosius. Theodosius, king of Rome. Stop ancient Olympic game. Stop ancient Olympic game. Stop ancient Olympic game. Why? Theodosius, king of Rome. Theodosius, king of Rome. Theodosius. Stop ancient Olympic game. Stop ancient Olympic game by Theodosius. Theodosius, king of Rome. Who's Theodosius, king of Rome? Stop the ancient Olympic game. Now second question. In which BCE boxing was included in ancient Olympic? Ancient Olympic boxing included in 776 BC. 776 BC. Which year first ancient Olympic organized start? So same year boxing and wrestling included in this ancient Olympic game. Now second question. To whom the credit is given to start modern Olympic? Who start the modern Olympic? Modern Olympic started by the Pierre Baron de Coubertin. Modern Olympic started by the Modern Olympic started by the Pierre Baron de Coubertin in 1896. In 1896. Now, who was Pierre Baron de Coubertin? Who was Pierre Baron de Coubertin? Father of modern Olympic. How many continents represent the rings of an Olympic flag? How many rings? 5 rings. Different 5 continents represents. Now, where will the 2024 Olympic Games will be held? 2024 Olympic Games will be held in Los Angeles, USA. Los Angeles, USA. 2024 Los Angeles and 2024 Olympic Paris. France. Now 2028 Los Angeles, USA. Now 2032 Brisbane, Australia. 2024 Paris, France. 2028 Los Angeles, USA, and 2032 Brisbane, Australia. 2032 Brisbane, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Where will who is the Thomas Buck? Thomas Buck is the current director of Indian International Olympic Committee. Where will be the 2028 Olympic game will be held? 2008 Olympic game will be held in Los Angeles. In 2024 Paris. Now filling the blanks. The first Paralympic game were held in कहाँ हुआ था पैरालंपिक फर्स्ट? ये सिलेबस में नहीं है, क्वेश्चन भी स्किप कर देना. There are special color of interlinked ring in Olympic flag are blue, yellow, black, green and red. Which color in Olympic ring? Which color? Blue, yellow, black, green and red. And red. 5 color in Olympic rings. Now, some multiple choice will is here. Now, discuss true and false. Indian Olympic Association was established in 1928. Indian Olympic Association established in 1927. That is a wrong. 1927. That is a wrong. Indian hockey teams was sent first to Emerson Olympic. True and false? True. Thomas Bach is president of IOC. Yes, right, true. First ancient game, Olympic game started in Olympia Valley. Yes, true. CTS means fastest. Yes. CTS means CTS, LTS and 40S. That is direct Latin word. And it means CTS means CTS means CTS, LTS and 40S. That is Latin word. And faster, CTS means LTS means higher and 40S means stronger. And one more add in 2020 Olympic, Tokyo Olympic, togetherness. What? Togetherness. Add. Now, some multiple choice questions. Who is the president of International Olympic Committee? Antonio Samaranch, Thomas Bach, Robert Bach and none of these. Who's Thomas Bach? Which one of the following is headquarters of IOC? IOC headquarters is representing Lausanne, Switzerland. In which year the Indian Olympic Association was established? Which year? IOA. You can say that IOA means Indian Olympic Association established in 1927. Headquarter New Delhi. Now, who was the founder of president of IOA? Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata, the first president of IOA. First president of IOA कौन थे? First president Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata. Sir Dorabji Jamsetji Tata, first IOA president. Now, in which year first Paralympic Games were held? In 1960, Rome. Now, how many sports included in Summer Paralympic Games? 22. Now, in 3 marks questions, write a short note on Olympic flag. In Olympic flag, is a white and milky color, white and silky milky color, with in center represent Olympic symbol. Olympic symbol 5 rings. 5 rings blue, black, yellow, green or red. 5 rings. In Olympic ring, how many rings? 5 rings. Olympic ring. Five rings. How many rings? Blue, black, yellow, green and red. And represent all 5 continents. Which 5 continents? All 5 continents. Europe, Asia, Australia, America, South Africa. Represents 5. And brief explanation about the International Olympic Committee. First, describe the International Olympic Committee is governing of the modern Olympic game and established in 1894 and Lausanne, Switzerland headquarter. Then membership and first World War First and World War Second not conducted in World Olympic Games, and now mention also. So they are also mentioned the International Olympic Committee like comes under organized 2 games, Summer Olympic Games and Winter Olympic Games. First Summer Olympic Games held in 1896. Then first Winter Games organized in 1924. Chamonix, France. Then brief exclusive about the awards of ancient Olympic Games. Ancient Olympic Games award Crown of Olive Leaves. Which Crown of Olive Leaves awards, and only food, grain and animal were given to reward. Only food, grain and after that crown made on olive leaves given on winners को दी जाती थी olive leaves के साथ में food, grain और कुछ animals भी reward में दिए जाते थे. More stress was laid on respect and honor instead of award to the player in these games. Statues were also made of winners. Poems were also composed in praise of winners and their names also recorded in the annal of history. And even the players used to participate in these games for respect and honor and not for the sake of awards. Game for respect, even players used to participate in these games for respect and honor. प्लेयर्स को पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए उसे ऑनर दिया जाता था और उनके उसमें याद में पोएम्स सुनाई जाती थी ताकि मोर एंड मोर प्लेयर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें. दैट इज अवार्ड्स इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स. Now discuss about the closing ceremony of modern Olympic game. Discuss about the closing ceremony of modern Olympic game. In closing ceremony of modern Olympic game, organize sports from all countries assemble in a stadium for closing ceremony, and the mayor of city declare and president of managing committee escort the president of IOC. जो वहाँ का मेयर होगा और जो वो रहेगा उसे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ओलंपिक कमेटी के उसको एस्कॉर्ट करके ले जाएगा. और देन जो ही प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ओलंपिक कमेटी डिक्लेयर द क्लोजिंग ऑफ ओलंपिक गेम. कौन डिक्लेयर करता है? ये डिक्लेयर करता है ओलंपिक कमेटी का मेंबर. देन various cultural program are organized and the Olympic flame is extinguished. ओलंपिक फ्लेम को बुझा दिया जाता है. At last the game come to an end with Olympic song. किससे खत्म होता है ओलंपिक सॉन्ग गेम्स? ओलंपिक सॉन्ग से. Now discuss main function of IOC. Main functions describe like promotion, make rules and regulations, collaboration with support the federations and national federation and associations, and rules and regulations changes, venue and places changes, and which games not added in Olympics. That is comes under all comes under the Olympic committee. Now carrying 5 marks questions. Explain origin of ancient Olympic games. Ancient Olympic games write down in history. where Olympic Games are organized, first Olympic Games are organized, which games are included in organization, opening ceremony and closing ceremony, and awards also mentioned in this point. Explain origin of modern Olympic Games. Origin of modern Olympic Games by help of father of modern Olympic Games, Pierre Baron de Coubertin. In 1896, first Olympic Games were organized. Then development of various values of which values develop Olympic in engage in Olympics. So which values develop the friendshipness, solidarity, fertility, fair play, free from discrimination. That is all come under the various value from Olympism. Note ancient Olympic Games and first in there 5 marks questions. Write down about the Olympic motto, Olympic flag, Olympic flame, Olympic awards and Olympic oath. In Olympic awards in modern Olympic Games and Olympic oath says that in Olympic oath taken in before the Olympic opening in Olympics, and all the athletes and all officials in presence in assemble in sport stadium and representing our host country come forward holding with flag and flag bearer, and then one hand forward, right hand forward, looking like this, and then take a oaths like that. We sure that we will take part in Olympic Games in loyal competition, respecting the regulation which govern them, and desirous of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for honor of our country and for glory of sports. These are Olympic oaths. Now same International Olympic Committee detail, Indian Olympic Committee. So these types of questions asked in your exam from this chapters. So here completely closed chapter 2 Olympic values and education. Thank you. Have a nice day.